Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a sheet summary here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The sheet summary feature in Smartsheet allows you to capture and display key information about a sheet in a structured format, making it easier to access, track, and manage important metrics. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, open the sheet where you want to create or view the summary. Now, in the toolbar, basically that's on the right side corner of your dashboard. Okay, so there's gonna be an icon that says a summary under activity log. I want you to click on that. And on the sheet summary, there's gonna be a ellipsis button or the three dots icon where you can copy or unlock all fields. Now, I want you to click on the add a new field because sheet admins can create summary fields to easily define, organize, and report on critical information on their sheet. Existing sheet summary fields are visible to all users shared to a sheet, but we don't have any sheet summary yet, so we're going to create a new field. Now, in this section, you might want to, for example, create a name for that. Maybe, I don't know, this one. You can put in text number, contact list, the type of field that you wanted, date, drop down, checkbox, symbols. All right, so it's all up to you. You use the flag, the star and whatnot, priority decision, and so on and so forth. All right, you can also use formulas in the sheet summary fields to automatically calculate metrics like totals, but for now we're going to use the text and number. Okay, when you click on OK, you see this is going to be the next field. All right, you can create currency, like for example AOD for Australian dollar. So basically it's all up to you. All right, you can put in a number formatting like percentage number, decreased decimal, and increased decimal, hyperlink. You can also insert an image if you wanted. Let's do that. Once you have added an image here, okay, you see, you can put in you can lock this kind of sheet summary if you wanted. All right, and you can of course go again to the properties if you wanted to quickly access critical information about your project or data set without having to scroll through the entire sheet. All right, after doing so, you see, you might want to add a new field if you wanted, so you can organize summary fields in a way that best suits your team's workflow. In this case, for example, you're going to put in a symbol. All right, click on OK. And again, sheet summaries can be used in dashboards and reports, making it easier to communicate key metrics to stakeholders, or if you're working with multiple clients. You can use the sheet summary here, all right, to track, manage, and report on essential data for your Smartsheet projects. I'm going to name it as Deep Labs. Okay, and once I'm happy with it, you see, using the summary feature enhances your ability to track, manage, and report on essential data from your Smartsheet projects. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.